everyone? This is Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars. And right here is probably going to be my only video that I'll ever do, because I don't think I'll ever see another 1986 Chevrolet IROC with 1,693 miles. Yes, I said 1,693 miles. This has been in 3 collectors' hands, and it came in on a trade, and I'm lucky enough now to have it in my possession and resell it to the next lucky guy. If you ever wanted one of these IROCs and you couldn't afford it back in the day, well, you know what? Now that you can, get yourself something investment quality grade. So first and foremost, it's all original. It does have the original red metallic paint. It's a copper color in my opinion, but Chevrolet called it red. Dark red metallic is what they called it. So I'm gonna move in a little bit closer. There are no flaws in my paint on this car anywhere that I can see. Okay? No accidents. Clean auto check report. This IROC has a 5.0 305 tune port injected motor with the automatic 700 R4 transmission. And the interior is brand new. The car is brand new. It smells like it's brand new. I have the T-tops. They're glass T-tops as well. I will put them back on the car, but I thought I'd do the video without the T-tops first. I'm not gonna go for a test drive. The weather here is not that good. Look at my photos of underneath this car and how beautiful it is. Okay? Weather stripping, all original. Everything all original. No stains, no rips, no tears. I mean, how can there be? It's 1,693 miles, or 1,640 miles. Look at the preservation of this car. Everything functions. I do have a lot of original paperwork on the car, in which I took a photo of, and you can see that in my slideshow. I'll fire it up. I want you guys to hear it. Let's see, we'll pop the hood really quick. Let me get the keys out of the trunk here. Oh, I think I got them somewhere in my pocket. Chevrolet IROC with 1,640 miles on the odometer. True collectible, hard to find car with this miles. So if you guys are serious, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. We can get this thing delivered to your garage. The Guns N' Roses cassette comes with it as well. So there you have it. If you need financing, so credit scores from 575 to 699, you're gonna need about 10% down. If your credit score is 700 into the 800s, no money down. with better rates. Okay? So you've seen everything, you heard everything. Now, do you want to buy one of the lowest miles IROC that's for sale on the planet and put this in your driveway? Then you're going to call me at 847-848-1850. I've been doing this for 29 years. I've never come across an IROC like this. I do have others. Okay. That one in the corner's got 35,000 miles, convertible, 1990, but it's gonna sell quick. I have 65 plus beautiful, hand-picked classics and late model stuff that I like available for sale. Go to mgmclassiccars.com. My phone number is 847-848-1850. If you're watching this video, please click the button on the bottom right-hand corner. Click the subscribe button and you'll get all our new releases. If you're on Facebook a lot, go to the search tool, punch in MGM Classic Cars, and like it and share it. Talk to you soon. Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com.